Hello and welcome. This is Amanda, the Nerdy Crafter, and we have arrived at day 18th of our Art Impressions Advent Calendar. We have 24 days of goodies that we are opening up, and I put my pokey tool somewhere very safe, so I'm going to use my Spellbinder's fussy cutting scissors here. I love when I put things in safe places. So let's see what goodie we have in store for day 18. Oh, this is a gorgeous bow. Oh, I love that. That is a perfect size. Very pretty. Okay. So you do receive a catalog with this set, and it does give you a sneak peek of what the stamps are. I have no clue the sizes that they are, and I actually have not even measured them to see if the images are true to size. They actually may be. This is the first time I've actually measured that. So they are basically true to size in there, so that is good to know. But we are going to create, I'm trying to decide what color I want my bow to be. I'm thinking red, but if I go with red, I don't want to pull in any of the brown, so I'm either going to need to use my gray and go with the red so it's a no line, or go with my brown. I think I'm going to go with my brown. I'm going to do a nice outline on it. So this is the Pinecone VersaFine Clair. I am going to stamp this off once, probably twice on the back before I bring it to the front. So this line here is my center. I'm just going to let that sit there for just a second. Beautiful. And I don't want to Okay, so what I'm thinking is I'm going to sloppy mask this off with some of my Post-it note tape. Because I generally don't do a lot of masking, so this is how I do sloppy masking. Then I'm going to stamp my other images and let you just listen along while I watercolor this up. So I will be back at the end when I'm done watercoloring. See you in a little. All right, here we go. Day 18 of our Advent calendar for Art Impressions. That is absolutely beautiful. And when you come up with like little scraps like this, what I like to do is actually add them to the inside of the card. So I'm going to move these stamps out of the way when I open this up because I do not want to accidentally stamp on it again. So I would add that right to the inside of my card there. So it helps me use up my leftover scraps, leaving no scraps left behind. It decorates the inside of the card, and win-win. There we go. And last but not least, stamp the back. One of a kind, created with love by the Nerdy Crafter. Thank you again so much for joining me. This is Amanda, the Nerdy Crafter. with day 18 of our Art Impressions Advent Calendar. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will catch you tomorrow. Bye!